In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Yahoo Finance data into Google Sheets in 2026. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new spreadsheet. A fresh sheet makes it easier to set things up cleanly, especially if you plan to track multiple tickers or build a dashboard later. Once your blank spreadsheet is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct file, because the next steps will install an add-on into your Google account and make it available inside Sheets. Now go to the top menu and click Add-ons. This menu is where Google Sheets connects to extra tools that extend what the spreadsheet can do. When the Add-ons menu opens, click Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can search for and install spreadsheet extensions. In the Marketplace search bar, type Highlight. Keep the spelling simple and look at the results list that appears. You are looking for an add-on called Finance for Yahoo. When you see Finance for Yahoo in the results, click it to open the add-on page. This page is helpful because it usually shows a short description of what the add-on does, along with screenshots, ratings, and permissions. Reviewing this page helps you confirm you are selecting the correct tool before you install anything. On the add-on page, click Finance for Yahoo again to proceed with selecting it. Then click Install. Google will prompt you to approve the installation and may ask you to choose the Google account you want to use. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the permissions it requests so the add-on can run inside Google Sheets. If you see a confirmation message that the add-on has been installed, you are set. As a quick tip, if the Marketplace window closes and you do not immediately see anything change in your sheet, that is normal. Add-ons typically appear back under the Add-ons menu after installation, so you can return there when you are ready to start pulling Yahoo Finance data into your spreadsheet. And that is all there is to it.